Hello guys, this is FixTube and this video is about the battlenet. If you just had some characters which were deleted or missed and you don't know what happened to them, you just should follow the steps I'm gonna tell you. First of all, you have to check if you have selected the right game version from here, and after clicking the play button and waiting for the game to be opened, you have to check if you have selected the correct reel. So I just had some characters on the Gehenna's PvP and they're just gone, so just click it and see if there are no characters. So first of all, you can click on this and you can make sure that you haven't deleted them accidentally, and if there are no characters, just create new characters to refresh your character list. So just create a random character and after that give him a name. So the reel is now locked, so it's not possible for now to do this, but you can just create a new character on it and wait and see if your characters list is refreshed and your characters are back. But if it didn't also work, you have to just quit it, close the application and clear the cache. In order to do this, you have to press Ctrl and Shift and Escape in order to open the task manager and go to the processes tab, and in here you shouldn't have the agent exe or Blizzard update agent. So if you had it, you should just end the process. Let's check for it. I'm somehow sure that it's not open in here because I just have set the option of the battlenet to completely be closed after I click on the close button, so you can check it twice in order to make sure. And after that you have to navigate to the folder containing the cache directory. So press Window key plus R to open the run dialog, and in here type this program data and press enter. In here, if Blizzard Entertainment folder exists in the directory, right click on it and select delete. So Blizzard Entertainment is here, just delete it and restore the battlenet desktop app and relaunch the game. So I'm gonna check it, and I'm not actually completely sure if it will be successful for me because the realm is now locked and I couldn't just refresh my character list. So that's the thing that it's better to do before actually deleting the cache. Thank you for watching this video and good luck.